Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Halloween crafts with a spine-chilling project, spooky bottle lanterns. Get ready to upcycle old glass bottles into hauntingly beautiful lanterns that will set the perfect eerie ambience for your Halloween festivities. And the best part? It's a faceless tutorial, so you can focus on the crafting magic without any distractions. Let's get started. Materials: old glass bottles, craft glue, black spray paint, tea lights or battery-operated candles, creepy silhouette templates, available in the description. You can find links in the description for all these things. Step 1. Preparing the bottles. First, make sure your glass bottles are clean and dry. You can use different shapes and sizes for a varied lantern collection. Step 2. Applying the silhouette. Now, print out the creepy silhouette templates from the description. Cut them out and carefully adhere them to the outside of the bottles using craft glue. Make sure they're securely attached. Step 3. Painting the bottles. Time to give our bottles that eerie touch. Head to a well-ventilated area and spray paint the bottles with black paint. This will create a spooky silhouette effect when the light shines through the cutouts. Step 4. Let it dry. Allow the paint to dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 5. Adding the glow. Insert a tea light or battery-operated candle into each bottle. When you light them up, the creepy silhouettes will come to life, casting eerie shadows all around. Step 6. Unleash the spookiness. Place your finished spooky bottle lanterns around your home, yard, or Halloween party venue. They're sure to add a hauntingly beautiful touch to your decor. And there you have it, folks. Spooky bottle lanterns to give your Halloween a ghostly glow. Remember, it's all about embracing the spirit of upcycling and adding your own creative twist to the holiday season. Be sure to subscribe for more faceless DIY tutorials and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this project. Happy crafting, and have a spooktacular Halloween!